chicken. You like toaster, my friend?
Yes, please, thank you.
Okay. And cheese, you like
Whatever, Monterey Jack, whatever, American cheese, whatever you like. Make something good.
make it good, right?
Yes, thank you.
That's all you matter. Good. Only the good.
Yeah,
Or
whatever
lettuce.
you like.
Okay.
Make sure put onion on
Okay. Yeah. Make sure put onion. Tomato. Okay.
Yes, please. And cucumber.
You like cranberry sauce?
Yes, please.
Spinach. Okay.
No, that's fine. Yes.
Olives. This.
Yeah, not all of just this and put some pickle if you have a pickle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cranberry sauce.
Yes. I want to know what is that. I always try new stuff, so
You are.
yeah, that's good.
Anything drinks here, sir?
I'm not sure if this is good, but we will try. Hmm. It is just a sauce. So the cranberry is just a sauce. I thought they're gonna put real cranberry on your sandwich. Well, I don't know. It's good. I really like the sandwich. I do. It is so good. Hmm. Yeah. It is so good, but I'm still thinking Subway's Philly steak is the top. Philly steak, Subway.
Yes.
This is what I think, sorry. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.